Struggling to keep your edges smooth and your hairstyle intact throughout the day? If you want a product that offers extra hold without the mess, ORS Olive Oil Edge Control is worth a look. It promises to repair, restore, and revive your hair while keeping those stubborn edges perfectly in place, no matter your hair texture. I've tested this edge control myself, and it's a standout. Unlike gels or sprays that leave flakes or sticky residue, this formula is alcohol-free and non-greasy, so it never hardens your hair or leaves buildup. It glides on smoothly and locks down baby hairs, ponytails, buns, braids, and twists with a natural, radiant shine. What really sold me is how it moisturizes without weighing hair down, thanks to ingredients like wheat protein that strengthen strands and reduce breakage. Whether your hair is relaxed or natural, it handles it all with ease. One of the best parts? It's designed without parabens, sulfates, silicones, mineral oil, or alcohol, so you're getting a clean, nourishing formula that respects your hair's health. Users rave about how it holds up even when wearing hats or caps all day, without flaking or leaving residue. If you often struggle with resistant baby hairs or need a reliable product for sleek ponytails and buns, this is a must-have in your routine. If that's you, looking for a dependable edge control that combines hold, shine, and care, give ORS Olive Oil Edge Control a try when you're ready. It's simple to apply with your fingertips or a small brush, and the results speak for themselves. Long-lasting hold, no flaking, and a polished look you can count on. Elevate your hair game with a product that works as hard as you do.